The world's largest democratic exercise progressed today as Indians across 10 states and 1 union territory participated in the third phase of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Voter turnout varied across regions with an overall participation rate of over 25% as of 11 am. Notably, Goa witnessed an enthusiastic response with more than 30% turnout during the same period. Over 11 crore voters were eligible to cast their votes to elect members of parliament from 92 constituencies across Gujarat, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and parts of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Bihar. Voting began at 7 am amid heavy security presence across thousands of polling stations. Long queues were seen across cities, towns, and villages as enthusiastic voters turned up to exercise their democratic franchise. Several prominent leaders and key candidates are in the fray in this phase. For the BJP, stalwarts like Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi, former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and former Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommaiah were among the heavyweight contestants. As for the opposition India Alliance, former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Digvijay Singh, Dimple Yadav, Supriya Sule, and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary were among the prominent faces. This phase is seen as a crucial test for both the ruling National Democratic Alliance led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party as well as the opposition India bloc. Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra are major battlegrounds with 26, 14, and 11 seats respectively. However, elections are only being conducted on 25 constituencies across Gujarat after BJP candidate won Surat unopposed. In Gujarat, the BJP is looking to replicate its stellar 2019 performance when it won all 26 seats. However, it is facing challenges from the Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, and some regional outfits over issues like inflation and unemployment. Karnataka has seen an intense campaign between the BJP and Congress. With high stakes for both the BJP and the opposition, several political heavyweights were seen voting, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
आज तीसरे चरण का मतदान है। मैं देशवासियों को विशेष रूप से आग्रह करूंगा कि लोकतंत्र में मतदान एक सामान्य दान नहीं है। हमारे देश में दान का एक महात्म्य है और उसी भाव से देशवासी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतदान करें। आज तीसरे चरण का मतदान है। अभी और करीब 3 सप्ताह चुनाव अभियान चलेगा। 4 मतदान के दौर आगे भी है। मेरा गुजरात में मतदार के नाते यही एक जगह है जहाँ मैं रेगुलर मतदान करता हूँ।
With voting completed in 190 seats so far, all eyes are now on these states that could hold the key to who occupies the Prime Minister's chair after the results on June 4th. The 7-phase general elections, which started on April 19, will continue till June 1, covering a staggering 543 constituencies in the final phase. Over 900 million voters will exercise their franchise to elect members of the Lok Sabha. The Election Commission has assured that all necessary measures are in place to conduct free, fair, and peaceful polls across over 1 million polling stations. Security forces have been deployed in sensitive areas to prevent any untoward incidents. Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Sargaonkar for Goa 365.